Hi friends, welcome to Footy Bites. Today we are making eggplant or brinjal fry. Let's get started. Heat the oil in a pan, add onions, green chilies and fry till golden brown color. Now add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and add the eggplant and stir it and close with the lid for some time. Now add salt, chili powder and stir it. Cook till the brinjal is soft. Now almost the brinjal curry is ready. Garnish with the coriander leaves and dish out. It's a very good combination for rice, roti, pulka, chapatis. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Foodie Bites.